Well, my friend Wally was in town today. He had some stuff for me over at the old store, so I couldn't meet him because I had to come up and finish putting in this air conditioner. And yesterday, I ran out of oxygen on my tank, couldn't finish braiding it up, so come on back today, and there it is, y'all. Brand new air conditioner installed. I got Roy on the other side of town, which we're going to visit him in a minute. And I'm through with this job. I'm going to go over there with Roy at. He putting in another unit. Feeling good. Water on the line. Good and cold. That's the way it's supposed to look. So y'all, we through with this one. We got to get ready to go on the other side of town. I mean, we just one street over. We down here in Marion, Arkansas. We one street over, so we finna go over here. Wherever we're at. He's finna cleaning one up, getting it ready for the, put together. Yeah, I told him he know that I'm gonna be over here about an hour, so it's done. All right, y'all, we're gonna see y'all later. Good work done. Another day, another dollar. Yep.
From heat exhaustion.
All right, I guess we'll head over to where Roy is. See what he's doing. Man, some beautiful houses over here. Yep. Go see where Roy is. There he is over there. There he is. Over there. I see him. Well, y'all, we here. Yeah, we here. Well, y'all, I'm going to cut y'all loose in a minute so I can get busy getting this and put in. Boy, I tell you, we be busy. I was coming, bro, Roy.
I was coming. Yeah, I'm wondering what was going on with you.
I'm done.
I thought I had to come over there and
Nah.
dead.
Oh, your phone dead?
I think my battery's bad.
Oh, man. Well, I'm going to go on and switch this and then evacuate it out, I guess, a bit. Oh, man, you got that about put all in, ain't you?
Got what?
You got that about back in, ain't you?
Yeah, just a bunch of these damn screws. Maybe two of them.
Yeah.
I've been.
Man, I tell you. Yeah, well, get ready to hook this thing up. Well, you got it good and shiny down there. That ought to stick for good.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I know it will. Well, I might have to bend that line a little bit, but then, because once I swirl it together, you can tie it wide all back in.
I ain't wearing shit back in.
Come on now.
Come on, you stop playing with me.
No, man, I'm trying to show you how to get a little hand up.
I gotta be standing on this side. I don't want
Yeah.
I've been in Tucker job, told him I can do it.
And then do what I'm doing.
Knocked everything
Oh, yeah.
in the poor house.
Yeah. Well, okay, let me get busy here. We talk to y'all later. We'll let y'all see it running when time comes. It'll be another segment though. It won't be on this page. Thank you.